Hi, I'm Maggie Weldon from maggiescrochet.com, and I wanted to introduce this new pattern, which is the Hexagon Afghan, and the links to the pattern will be below the video. And it is done with a series of hexagons, full hexagons. I think there's 28, and then for the ends there's half hexagons, and there's 4 of those, so you put 2 at each short end. So that in the pattern I give you very detailed directions, and I give you the layout diagram, and I also do support videos with my new patterns that I'm producing now. And the 4 support videos that are connected to this pattern include whip stitching, so I show you how to sew the pieces together so you get this nice little ridge that you see here. Hopefully you can see it. And then cluster stitches, and joining with a double crochet is linked to this pattern, and then steam blocking when you get it all done and it's all a little bit wrinkly, so you can fix that up with the steam blocking. So and the other thing we offer on all of our patterns that we publish is free pattern support. So I think with the videos and the really elaborate directions, I think, you know, like a beginner or just a little bit advanced beginner crocheter could handle this pattern. So we're here to help, and I want to thank you very much for watching and supporting us all these years.